Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can play music through your Roblox mic. So download Voicemod first and select sounds from here and just like play it. There's a bunch. There's this Valorant one as well, which why would you use it on Roblox? But you're going to join any game. I'll just join this one because it's a little bit easier to load right now. Then you're going to obviously enable your mic, but then you're going to go to settings here, go to input device and select the voice mod one, and here go back to voice mod, and you're just going to play the audio there is. Oh, that's loud. That's enough. Okay, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.